Sure thing. Let's talk turkey. Literally. Specifically, making delicious, moist turkey breast in your Instant Pot. It's a game changer, especially if you've only ever baked turkey breast until it's dry enough to pass as a paperweight. Instant Pots are the ultimate cooking hack. You're taking what used to be a 3-hour ordeal of basting and checking the oven every 15 minutes and turning it into a quick, foolproof miracle. The best part? It's done in under an hour. The first step is picking a turkey breast. I recommend a boneless 3 to 4 pound piece. It'll cook faster and is less intimidating. If it's frozen, give it 24 to 48 hours in the fridge to thaw. Trust me, cooking a half-thawed turkey is not a flex. Season everything generously. I'm talking about a simple rub here. Kosher salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and dried thyme. Use a tablespoon of olive oil to help it stick. Yes, you want it to look like a spice explosion. Here's where the Instant Pot does its magic. Turn it to sauté mode and add another tablespoon of olive oil. Sear the turkey breast for 2 minutes on each side. It's not just for looks, it locks in the flavor. Don't skip this step. Once seared, turn off the sauté function and set the turkey aside. Pour a cup of chicken broth or water into the pot. Pro tip: toss in some sliced onion, garlic cloves, and celery for bonus flavor. You want the base to be tasty too. Place the turkey breast on the trivet, the metal rack that came with your Instant Pot. This keeps the turkey from swimming in the broth while it cooks. Adjust the breast so it fits snugly inside. No wrestling match necessary. Seal the lid and set your Instant Pot to pressure cook or manual mode on high for about 30-35 minutes for that size of turkey. Big tip here: times might vary depending on the size of the turkey, so check the Instant Pot guide. After the timer goes off, let it naturally release pressure for 10 minutes. This is non-negotiable. The steam helps keep the turkey juicy. Then manually release the rest of the pressure. It's like opening a gift. Just don't burn your hand. Use a meat thermometer to confirm the internal temp is 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the thickest part. If it's under, give it another 5 to 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Better safe than sorry. No one likes playing the "did I just undercook turkey" game. Optional, but powerful move. Toss the turkey breast under your broiler for 5 minutes to crisp the skin. It transforms the entire dish. Your turkey suddenly looks like it was cooked by a Michelin star chef instead of a gadget on your counter. The beauty of this recipe? You're done in under an hour, and the meat slices are so tender that even the most turkey-hating person at dinner will ask for seconds. If there are leftovers, which there probably won't be, they refrigerate beautifully. This recipe isn't just about cooking. It's about winning back your time. Whether it's Thanksgiving or a random Wednesday night, you can now have turkey that's moist, flavorful, and downright impressive, all without babysitting the oven.